We are pleased to show you 2021 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.